In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Auto Reframe in CapCut quickly and easily. If you've noticed your video keeps resizing, cropping, or automatically shifting to fit different formats, this setting is usually the reason. The good news is, once you know where to look, it only takes a few clicks to disable it. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and go to your editing timeline. Find the specific video clip that has Auto Reframe enabled and select it. This step is important because the settings you change will only apply to the clip you've clicked on. Once the clip is selected, look over to the right-hand panel if you're using CapCut on PC. If you're on mobile or using the app layout, look at the bottom menu bar instead. From there, tap or click on Video. This is where CapCut keeps the main clip editing options. After that, make sure you're in the Basic tab under Video Settings. CapCut organizes a lot of tools inside different tabs, so if you don't see the option right away, double-check that you're in the correct section. Now scroll down through the settings list until you find Auto Reframe. When you locate it, simply toggle the switch off. Once it's disabled, CapCut will stop automatically reframing that clip, which gives you more manual control over how your video appears. If you have more clips with Auto Reframe turned on, just repeat the same steps for each one. Select the clip, open Video, go to Basic, find Auto Reframe, and switch it off. That's all there is to it. You've now turned off Auto Reframe in CapCut and taken back control of your framing and crop settings. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.